Welcome back to another video. All the bikes are loaded. It's gonna be a fun day of riding. Come. Yeah! Yeah!
It's the one that I got completely submerged under that your dad talks about.
Whoa.
Oh no!
No, pick it up.
Okay, it's in gear.
It's in gear.
Alright, here, come here, Scott.
Got it. Matt, the whole bike's got taken apart yesterday. Everything's laying on the table. Had to clean out the air box. Had to clean out the carb. I had to do a couple stuff to the motor. But overall, I had fun. Like always, it was a great riding day. Couldn't ask for anything better. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Help me out if you guys want to see more content like this. And make sure you guys hit that like button. See you guys in the next video.